guys, this is Nintendo Player back here again. And today, I'm going to rank EAS alarms based on rate EAS alarms based on how scary they are. With 0 or below being not scary at all, and 10 or higher being so scary that it scared the snot out of me. And I will be using Willow Park at the beginning and end of the video. Why? She's one of my favorite Owl House characters. I do not own Owl House. It is owned by Dana Terrace and Disney, and I do not own any of the EAS alarms. So, without further ado, let's go. United States, 4 out of 10. I heard it too many times, kind of boring to me nowadays. Nigeria, 3 out of 10. This is a classic 1 HP sound effect. Italy, negative infinity out of 10. Sounds like a party beat, and people are vibing. Japan, 1 out of 10. This is a classic video game power-up sound. France, 2 out of 10. Sounds like multiple cuss words are being censored. Iceland, 4 out of 10. It literally sounds like it could come from an NES game. I gave it extra points because I am a die-hard Nintendo fangirl. Denmark, 5 out of 10. It would be scary if I lived in Denmark, but I've only been to Denmark for vacation. I haven't lived there. From what I hear, it sounds like someone going down a slide, but with goofy ah sounds. Greece, 3 out of 10. It just sounds like some robots from the Terminator movies. Afghanistan, 3 out of 10. Sounds like an alarm from an old sci-fi movie. Norway, 8 out of 10. This is scary, no question about it. Russia, 4 out of 10. Sounds like a wolf's howl mixed with a siren. Bermuda, 1 out of 10. Sounds like a broken tape recorder on repeat. But I gave it a point because sometimes things are scary when they're stuck on repeat. Canada, 7 out of 10. Reminds me of fire drills. Australia, 6 out of 10. Sounds like an alarm in a science lab. Mexico, negative 5 out of 10. It just sounds really annoying. Germany, negative infinity out of 10. This sounds like something that they would play at my sister's prom this year. Spain, 1 out of 10. It just sounds like a phone ringing. Zambia, 100 out of 10. Oh, my ears! Antarctica, infinity out of 10. Ah! This is by far the scariest of them all. Well, that's it for my rating EAS alarms video. Stay tuned for my next videos. Peace out. P.S. This is not hate to anyone who made the EAS systems. I was just rating them for fun. Now, I gotta go. Bye-bye now.